So let's summarise what we've seen in the graphical calculator. We start off with the red function f of x, and we can shift it up the way by adding a value of a, and this gives us f of x plus a, which is the blue curve. We can also shift it down the way by adding on a value of negative a, so we've got f of x in red, and the new function is f of x minus a in blue. We can shift the original function f of x to the left by f of x plus a. We can shift the original function f of x to the right by f of x minus a. We can take the original function f of x and we can reflect it in the x-axis by minus f of x, and this is the new function here, minus f of x. We can take the original function f of x and we can reflect it in the y-axis by f of minus x. That will give us the blue function. So this side here is reflected on the axis, and this side here is reflected on the axis here. Finally, we've changed the function to a sine x because it's much easier to see it here. What we can do is we can take the original function here, which is f of x, in this case it's a sine x, and we can multiply it by a constant a, so we got a times f of x. So this is the effect of stretching the entire surface in the vertical plane, so the function gets stretched. We can also do the same thing in the horizontal plane here. We can take the original function f of x and we can stretch it by a factor of a, so we get this new function f of ax. So the original function is in red, and the new function is either compressed as shown here, or it could be stretched.